And now to a 10 on your side follow-up. The court date of a Newport newsman accused of abusing his dogs has been moved back.
We've been following this case since the beginning. Today, 10 on your side's Maria-Elena Boloris was in the courtroom as the case was continued. Maria-Elena?
Well, this all started when a neighbor filmed Ahmed El-Safdi allegedly hitting one of his two German shepherds. And now with this court date pushed back, the dogs will continue to be under the watch of animal control. The video of Ahmed El-Safdi allegedly hitting his dog quickly circulated on the internet, catching the attention of animal cruelty investigator Misty Collins. She and other animal advocates were in court today and were disappointed the judge continued the case.
German Shepherds in general don't do well. They don't thrive when they're in a shelter environment.
The city defender argued that it's been 10 days since the dogs were taken, and that's the time limit to decide if Ahmed El-Safdi is allowed to keep his dogs. But Judge Matthew Hoffman decided that because El-Safdi's attorney was not present, he would give him one more week. 4 witnesses were called into court today, including neighbors and El-Safdi's former dog trainer. Collins stopped El-Safdi outside of the courtroom, but was only able to speak with him briefly.
I asked the owner, Mr. El-Safdi, if he'd be willing just to surrender the dogs so they're not in limbo any longer. He opted not to. He wants the dogs back.
His response surprised her.
He paid a lot of money for them, which in my opinion isn't a good enough reason.
Collins went into El-Safdi's home when animal control was called, and she says what she saw inside was upsetting.
The dogs were still banished to a cage in the backyard in substandard conditions, and they were pretty frantic at the time then. I can't imagine what their demeanor is now.
El-Safdi has been reported to animal control 6 times. 5 of those happened in this year alone. He denies the abuse, and he didn't want to speak with us today. He'll face his charges of animal abuse on January 25th. I'm Maria-Elena Boloris, 10 on your side.